Good day mga idol! In this video, papakita ko sa inyo ang isang magandang trail na ating napasyalan dito sa bandang Sal Ildefonso, Bulacan, kung saan tinatawag nila itong New Zealand Trail dahil sa ganda ng landscape dito at medyo tagong part din na bukirin. Tapos, maglulod kami palabas ng Malangan, San Rafael, Bulacan. Sobrang exciting ang trail dito at talagang sulit ang pagpagyak mo.
Tutukod pero hindi susuko. Wala?
Isa yung diretso kanina.
Okay, so balik. Aray. What's up? Good morning mga ka-trip adventure, mga kaibigan natin dyan. Okay, ganda ng sunrise oh. Sama ko si Dennis. Nandito kami ngayon sa F. Viola Road sa may San Rafael, Bulacan, papuntang Starbucks Bikers Cafe. So nakita nyo yung daan namin, yan oh, lusong yan. Tapos may konting ahon doon sa bandang dulo, dalawang ganyan yung aming dadaanan. So it's Sunday today, ECQ, kaya siyempre dapat maging maingat tayo kasi nagbike lang tayo dahil kailangan natin ng exercise, pero hindi naman tayo tatagal. At ayun, chill ride lang kami. So meron kami imimit doon ng mga kasama namin BCW Bandaron. Tapos tingnan namin kung makapag New Zealand Trail kami, depende kung ano sila makarating. At ayan, so, larga namin. Let's go. Okay, oras no oras na 7:43 ng umaga. Magti-trade kami sa New Zealand daw. Pero hindi natin alam kung abot tayo dyan, no? Kasi malayo pa yan eh. Try lang natin, sabayan natin sila. Mga yan. Alright, chest mount tayo. Sunday ngayon, but just for fun. Okay, Bikers Cafe. Labas na kami, pababa kami dito. Tara, let's go. Alright, Rough road. Woo! Go, 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 go. Ayun o, naka-video kayo. Sige te, diretso nga. Nintay ko lang kayo eh. Diretso lang. Oo, sundan lang natin yung mga nandun. Alright. Sabayan natin to mga bikers. Ate, kaya no? Pa New Zealand kaya na train? Yeah, sabay kami. Dami kabisado eh.
Sana all.
So nagbagal lang tayo ngayon kasi huwag natin iwanan yung mga kasama natin sa likod. Malambot konti yung gulong. Mapaplatang ka.
Ito, kalsada na eh.
Ay pala, ano no? Barangay Patong Kalsya. Alright, so yan mga Bulacan Cyclist Warriors, ang mga mamaw ng Sagak ng Santa Maria. Lusok. Downhill. Ako downhill. Yes, go. Pa-video kayo. Go. Go, see oh. You know. Okay, let's go. Oh, ganda. Wow. Woo. Alright. Lusong. Wow. Woo. Alright.
Sana all.
Hindi naman. Alright, so yun. Sama ka ba group yung naming nasa bayan? Tapos yan, baka kami sa likod. Shout out, sama ka ba group San Rafael? Nate, alam ka? Okay, sweeper tayo, sweeper. Alalayan natin yung kasama natin sa huli. Ganda oh. Tara na't sumama sa akin, tayo'y maglakbay. Araw-araw maraming tao sa Starbucks, no? Tama ba? Sabado Linggo. Yun o. Ang kasama natin. Alright. Yes. Parang pa ng tubig. Ano na kayo? Mag-bike. Alright. Alright. Okay, so pag nakita niya yung signage niya na usapang Dayap, so kakaliwa tayo dyan. Okay, diretso, hindi natin alam. Kaliwa, sabay tayo dun sa maraming. Let's get it on!
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I have so many dreams, when you hit your teens. I ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. At least do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put it
Ayan, go girl. Ayaw ko sa kanin yan eh. Ayan o, ate Ella, ayan o. Sumunod si ate Margie. Ayan, go girl. You know. And then it's our turn.
I'm grateful, able, I'm stable, no label, you know me,
Alright.
I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. I don't want no fake
Muntik na ako dumiretso
I
ah.
want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you
15.
can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never
14,
done.
15, ingredient.
Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun,
Yeah, kaya yan.
fatal like a gun.
15, ingredient, 15.
I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Let's do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.
Tutukod pero hindi susuko.
Always to love what I'm doing. Never
Hala.
give up, never slow till
Yun
I
lang.
finally prove it.
Ayun
Never
to.
listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine.
Diretso lang.
Everything I do, I'm just
Ito.
being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and
Yan ba?
you let me in, yeah.
Okay, New Zealand sa Ildefonso. Nakikita niyo yung sa malayo na yun. Banda ron.
Sana all.
Alright, what's up mga ka-Trip Adventure? Nandito po tayo sa may New Zealand sa Ildefonso. Okay, so hindi po ito yung New Zealand sa bansa na New Zealand. Ito po ay trail dito sa may tinawag nilang New Zealand dahil nga mukhang New Zealand ang lugar na ito. Magandang landscape at magandang magbike doon sa part na yon. Ayun no, nandun sila. So hintayin natin mga kasama natin, pumunta sila doon sa malayo na yon, babike sila pag ganoon. Wow, sarap magbike. New Zealand in the house. Sarap magbike. Woo! Bigas 4 gadget. Ahon. Ito tayo. Woo! Welcome to New Zealand. Lusong! Oh yeah! New Zealand Trail dito sa San Ildefonso. Okay, so yung mga nakakasama namin, ayan, may tindahan dito, may bilihan ng tubig. Tapos ito pa, sama ka ba bike group sa San Rafael? Ayun, magandang landscape, tagong trail dito sa may San Ildefonso, New Zealand. Okay, tanong natin kung anong barangay pa. Sapang Dayap. Sapang Dayap pala dito sa lugar nito. Sila nanay po may tinda rito ng kape, inumin, soft drinks. Ano po pangalan niyo, Nay? Ano po? Jenny. Yan po, si Aling Jenny po ang nagtitinda rito. Oh. Meron pong ano dito 7-Eleven ni Aling Jenny. Napapos nga lang. Okay, so doon kami galing kanina sa ganyan, sa ganoon. At paikot. Yun. Oh my God! Wow!
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Sana all.
Pauwi na kami. At mamaya pag inabutan pa kami ng tanghali, baka hulihan na kami. So dito sa New Zealand, maganda oh. Lalo na pagka maaga, no? Sarap magpalipad ng dito. Saranggola. Drone. Okay, so dito daw daan. Dito ba? Dito ba? Dito? Tara. Let's go! Downhill! Yeah! Sarap mag-bike! Sementado na pala to. Alright, sementado na. So, nandito pa rin kami sa Kawalan. Narating na kayo sa Kawalan, hindi Kalawakan. So, yun, ano din yung ayun Mount Secret or Secret Mountain, yun sa Malangahan. Yung part na yun. Okay, so off-road pa rin dadaanan namin. Mga oras natin ay 9:36 ng umaga. Ayan. So, regroup lang kami ng konti. At ayan na, nalarga na.
Umuwi ka na?
Actually, nakaka-enjoy itong trail na to. Exciting, adventure, thrilling dahil daming bato. Pero masaya. Okay, oh, chasing trail, San Ildefonso, San Rafael. Okay, so nililigo na kami. Tignan natin. Okay. Wala.
Sa isa yung diretso kanina.
Okay, so balik. Aray. So ayun, oh, may quarry na pala dito. Tara. Sinisira na nila. Oo, sinisira nila. Babalik, babalik. Alright. Alog-alog tayo. Yung dalawa na yun, sinta na yung babae. Doon din ang daan nila.
Hanggat na puro sila lang.
Oo. Uy! Grabe yung lalim nun ah.
A few inches later.
Wala. Oo, nakaano tayo. Nakaiwas tayo sa entrance. Oo. Tala nga, dito na kami naligo. Oo. Yan na yun. Oo, kung gusto niyo makaligtas sa entrance fee, yun, doon ang daan sa likod.